The zero exponent rule is a result of the quotient rule for exponents when it is applied to an exponential expression with equivalent numerator and denominator. The zero exponent rule states that as long as the base is not zero, any number raised to the zero power is 1. If you reduce x to the fourth divided by x to the fourth using the quotient rule, you get x to the 4 minus 4 power, or x to the 0 power. However, if you reduce x to the fourth over x to the fourth by canceling common factors, the x to the fourth terms will cancel each other out to give you 1 over 1, which is equal to 1. In example 1, 3x to the 0 power can be written as 3 times x to the 0 power, or 3 times 1, which is 3. In example 2, the expression 4x squared, y to the first, z to the fifth, the complete expression is raised to the 0 power. This reduces to 1 since everything inside the parentheses is raised to the 0 power. The negative exponent rule is used to either write exponential expressions without negative exponents or to write exponential expressions without fractions. Essentially, the negative exponent rule states that any number raised to a negative exponent can be rewritten in fraction form by bringing the number to the denominator of the fraction and then changing the exponent to positive. The numerator becomes 1. In example 1, 2 raised to the negative 3 power can be written without negative exponents as 1 over 2 to the third, which simplifies to 1 over 8. Example 2. K raised to the negative 3 power divided by m raised to the negative 2 can be rewritten using positive exponents as 1 over k to the third divided by 1 over m to the second. This gives us a complex fraction which can be simplified by rewriting the expression as 1 over k to the third divided by 1 over m squared. Change the division to multiplication to get 1 over k to the third times m to the second, or m squared, over 1. Which is equal to m to the second over k to the third. Notice that k raised to the negative third power over m raised to the negative 2 simplifies to m squared over k to the third. Example 3. Write the simplified expression using only positive exponents. The negative exponent rule allows us to move the x raised to the negative 3 factor in the numerator to the denominator, and to move both the 4 raised to the negative 1 and x raised to the negative 5 from the denominator to the numerator, so that the expression contains only positive exponents. The quotient rule can be applied to x to get x raised to the 5 minus 3, or x raised to the second power, and to get y to y raised to the 4 subtracting 7, or y raised to the negative 3 power. Finally, multiply negative 4 and 4 to get negative 16. And bring the y down to the denominator. The final simplified result is negative 16 x squared over y to the third. Try the self-check at the bottom of the page.